I genuinely believe working into row ends can be one of the trickiest parts about crochet. So I'm going to show you how I do it in this situation. With my join, I've got 72 rows. So I want to make 72 stitches, as if by magic, which is equivalent to 1 stitch for each row end. But the way I do this when working into ribbing is a little different. What I'm going to do, I'm going to work 2 stitches in alternate row ends. I find when you've got an elastic ribbing, this just helps with the structure. My general tip for working into row ends is always to work into the tighter section. So you can see this last bit of rib, that's quite tight, whereas this row end, so that's one row end here, and then you've got this row end here where you've got this much bigger, you can see the light through it, this much bigger hole. If I work 2 stitches into that hole's going to get bigger. So what I'm going to do instead, and I chained that one at the end of the last row, I'm going to work into this little V of the row ends here, and I'm going to work 2 single crochet in there, and then I'm going to skip that row end where I've already got quite a gap. I'm going to work 2 single crochet into that next V of the row end. So you can see I've not made great big holes, and I'm just going to work that all the way around the brim into 2 single crochet into that V of alternative row ends. That should leave me with 72 stitches.